Time to get serious. Just taking it. Tonight we're gonna draw Growlmon from Digimon Tamers. This Digimon is named Growlmon. He's also an evolved form for Gilmon. Here's his hair. Sorry. This is the first form that Gilmon transformed into. This won't take long.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the new TWF Championship.
I'm so excited! Ready to see this David and Goliath style action?
That's right, Colonel. This will be a David and Goliath style fight. Instead of a normal equal fighter versus equal fighter, this one's really got a big scale in between the two fighters' skill levels. But let's take a look and see what we've got going up against each other, shall we? The Lost Viking is known to be one of the most brutal, nefarious Sinistras around. While he couldn't land a hit on Knockout Ninja for the first 2 rounds, he was able to pin him and knock him down using his own arrogance against him. In the quarterfinals, the Lost Viking squared off against French chef Pierre Pomplamoose. After insulting Pierre's cooking skills, he proved that gastronomy is no match for brute force. And in the semi-finals, the Lost Viking was able to subdue Unit 19G through sheer rage and confusion, using his lack of technology knowledge in his own favor. We tune in now to guest commentator Dorzo Flynn, who's in the locker room with the Lost Viking right now. Dorzo?
Thanks, Dick! Hello there, Mr. Lost Viking. I bet you're really excited, see, given the fact that you're heavily favored against your opponent.
In my mind, the Sinistras have already won.
This little pipsqueak going up against me has no chance. Senator Skull won't take over the TWF. There is no way you can stop us now. I had a feeling you'd say that, see? Hey, I got a question for you, Mr. Lost Viking about the boat. Because you got king in your name, and you're a Viking, does that mean you're a king or not? What are you trying to say? Are you insulting my intelligence or my rank, Odor? No, I'm not doing that, see? I'm only making a joke. A joke? At my expense? Oh, to shoot up any one of the next TWF champions? Ow! Ow! I was only kidding! Back to you,
And the houses are beautiful. Unbelievable. And they're cheap.
What did you think that
$280.
Get a load of what his opponent goes through all the time.
That's right, Colonel. Let's take a look at the Lost Vikings' Dextera opponent.
There's his
Ouch
tail.
has never been the strongest member of the mighty Dexteras, ever, at all. So one wonders how he even got to the championship. He squared off against Billy That Boy in the qualifiers and was actually pretty easily able to subdue him.
Of course, Billy That Boy couldn't even beat his own shadow.
But what was a surprise was when Ouch was able to beat the amoeba by literally chewing her up and spitting her out. Not to mention
And done. That's how you draw Gilmon.
Senator Skull
I told you we get busy.
To be
Seriously?
fair, it was because he got too